Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick review swatch and tutorial, I'm doing a video on the RealHer Cosmetics lip liner in the particular shade I Am Unstoppable. And there are 6 shades to choose from. This one out of the 6 is more of a peachy or pink shade, definitely a natural shade you can wear for spring and summer. It's perfect. And it's $12.50 at Neiman Marcus. You can purchase it there. You get free shipping and free returns. But let's go ahead and talk about this product. Its premium formula glides on smoothly. It's long-lasting wear that does not feather or bleed. It's certified cruelty-free and paraben-free as well. And it's infused with jojoba seed oil and shea butter. So for reference, I have dry to normal skin and lips. I have medium to tan olive skin. So if you don't have the same skin type or skin shade, then it might look different on your skin. In my opinion, this lip liner definitely feels comfortable on my dry lips. It wears very long. It's such a perfect natural shade. It even gives you kind of a brighter tint for that spring and summer time. So I definitely would purchase this again. And it's definitely chic. It's different. The packaging is unique. It's white with the black lettering, and I love the little names that they give each liner. But that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye guys.